You have left me, stolen my soul, deceived me, deluded me. You asked me not to wallow and cry. Mine unknown love for you will never die. The earth has shattered, the heavens have split. Fragments of hope dissolve into deep despair. There is no innocence that you can declare. Starved are the eyes, no sight of you, burnt by tears. Starved are the lips, no kiss from you, burnt by yearning. Starved are the hands, no touch from you, burnt by coldness. But what suffers most, for you never fully came close to opening the window within your eyes to truly see the soul that doth lie. Your love wears thin to compare me to a metal so cold? Heartless, I am much more precious than gold. Riches, these are kindness and warmth. These are worth more than any diamonds or rubies the empty rich sure adore. Emotion is not reason. Circles and squares are mere shapes. Love is no puzzle. Love is simple and pure, but hard metal? Do I entrap you in a circular web? Compass holds a sting so sharp. Bitterness, our souls are two, a number, separate, alone. You want to unhinge and run free. I entrapped to a dead point where you begin free. Thank you.